How to pass your driving test first time Oxford, 3 things your examiner is secretly looking for in the first 5 minutes. 1. Show you're prepared and know your car. Examiners start by checking that you can read a number plate and by asking a tell me question about vehicle. To move off safely and use your mirrors. One of the top reasons candidates fail is not moving off safely. Within the first few minutes, you'll be asked to drive away from the test center and perhaps pull out from behind a parked car or do a hill. The examiner is watching to see if you check your mirrors and blind spots. Signal correctly and choose a safe gap before moving off. Smooth clutch control or appropriate use of the brake and accelerator in an automatic and keeping your car in control as you accelerate shows good vehicle handling. If you stall, don't panic, restart calmly and continue. It's only a minor fault, unless you cause danger. 3. Demonstrate observation and lane discipline. Another major reason for failure is not making effective observations at junctions and incorrect positioning. Early in the test, you'll encounter junctions or roundabouts. Examiners look for you to scan for approaching traffic. Judge speeds accurately and position your car correctly when turning right or use your mirrors before changing speed or direction and maintain a safe, reasonable speed for the conditions. Keep your vehicle centered in your lane and respond to signs, road markings, and traffic lights. Remember that examiners will make notes during the drive to mark